Hey everyone, Shane the building biologist, working on a house today to make it healthier by reducing artificial energy or electromagnetic pollution from being in the house. And one of the ways that EMF, as it's called, can come into your house is through the power delivery from the utility, which is right here in the shot. Comes down to the meter so that the utility can keep an eye on how much energy you're using and bill you accordingly. And then into the house and the electrical panel. Now this section right here, this copper wire, is the grounding conductor. It goes into the earth and it's required by code. And it's for safety reasons and some other reasons that we have to have that, but we can use it to our advantage in making a home lower EMF. One of the ways we can ensure that this is healthy and able to do that, create low EMF conditions, is by testing the resistance of the ground rod. So this is another reason that you want to have a professional come out and do a complete evaluation of your home to take this aspect of the electrical system into consideration as well. If there's issues here, it can make issues inside the house even worse. So right now we're below 25 ohms. We have a ground rod here, and this is looking optimal for this house. So another thing to keep in mind when you are considering hiring an EMF specialist like myself, is to make sure that they will take all aspects of the electrical system into consideration when evaluating the home and developing a remediation plan. So hope you found this helpful. If so, definitely subscribe, click the notification button so you don't miss other tips and tricks that I put out from time to time.